You know, I've lived by a saying for a long time. It's not that people don't do the right things, it's that they don't do the right things for long enough. I didn't always have great faith that everything was gonna work out. I had my moments of doubt, but I had some inkling in me that said, just keep going. Just keep going. Eventually, things are gonna work out. We like to move forward with confident expectancy that great things are gonna happen, but always being prepared for bad things happening, you know, whether it's an injury, a loss, or a tough matchup, a fight that we know we're gonna win, and then all of a sudden we somehow lose. It's a crazy amount of uncertainty. And even inside of the octagon, like that's why fighting is a metaphor for life. You know, you did your best, you showed up, the cage door closes, but the opponent has a vote. You can't really pay too much mind and too much attention to what happens to you. All you can do is respond accordingly, learn from it, pick yourself back up and keep moving forward. And that's what fighting has taught me, what wrestling has taught me, and ultimately, all of it is just a metaphor for life. I'm a byproduct of Mike and Betty Chandler from High Ridge, Missouri. They taught me what it meant to do things right. So when I've got this huge fight on the horizon, I'm in a training camp, I take immense pride in doing the small things right every single day. The same way that I planned and worked toward my goals in fighting and being an athlete and how my parents raised me, I take that into my family life as well. I believe that God has blessed me with 3 beautiful children, and it really is the joy of my life. So I think the day that I held my son Hap for the first time, I knew the old Michael was dead and gone, and a new creation was created that day.
Oh, hold up. You did it.
Fighting taught me how to prepare, but family taught me what to prepare for. When you think about describing yourself as a person, I think it changes so much over time. And I think if you would have asked me 15 years ago, I'd say I'm a wrestler. And then I was a fighter, right? And so I'm just a fighter. And those are all just the things that I do and not really who I am. And as you age and as you grow and as you have more experiences in life, you start to realize what is most important. The belts and the money and the lights and all that stuff that's just gonna tarnish and it's gonna fade? Or is it the impact that you're making around the world, in your community, and within the 4 walls of your house? So having a plan in place and really realizing that I have a great responsibility to take care of my family, come what may. I really started getting serious about my financial future when I started having some success in mixed martial arts, because I wanted to be a good steward of what I was creating financially. But without a plan, the people will perish. I knew I wanted to have a concrete plan that says, this is where we're at, this is where we're going, and once we hit benchmark 1, we're gonna hit benchmark 2, and we're gonna keep on moving forward and eventually create financial security for the family to where you have to worry less about finances. It's always been something that I've been driven by, is making sure that I'm not missing out on life because I'm so afraid of financial security. But if you can just do the small things and take pride in doing the small things right in your line of work and then carry it over into every aspect of your life, you really can't lose. I think I really have built my entire life of leaving things in good hands, whether it's my coaches, my training partners. Your future is entrusted in the hands of trusted individuals. Then you can just show up and do the work needed. I don't believe I'm unstoppable. I don't believe I'm bulletproof, but I mean, a man who's got a dream and he's got faith and he's got great people around him is really, really hard to stop.